ballet class, and while I was doing my stretching, I was thinking of you, and that I was requested a video a few days ago of how to improve your points and get a better good looking fit. So today I have 3 tips for you, but before we get right straight into those exercises, I need you to go and get one, do a stretching exercises for your foot, and then come back to my video, okay? Get ready, a TheraBand and a yoga block. Or you could get a book, few books together, or a foam roll also could do it. Okay, come back when you are ready. First exercise, you're gonna sit on your knee. Make sure that your heels are together, and we are just gonna move one leg in front of us, and we are gonna press against the floor and change to demi-point. We are gonna repeat that a few times. Couple time more. If you need to do it longer, just keep doing it as long as you feel okay doing it. Do not force any movement, do not get into hurt yourself. And then we just change to the other leg. Press and change and press. Here you can go forward, backwards, just pressing and feeling how your arches are stretching. Couple of times more. And we go to our second tip. Also sitting on top of your knee, paying attention to your heels together. We are going to use the books, the yoga block, or the foam roll. We're going to put it in front of us, and we are going to lift our knee and position them on top of the yoga block. And we are going to hold this position with the upright position, and we are going to hold here for between 10 and 15 seconds. If you feel that is not enough, you can extend it a little bit longer, but no more than 30 seconds. Then, if it's fine, you can challenge yourself a little bit and make it higher. Remember, heels together, upright position, and just hold that as long as you can without pain, without forcing yourself into an injury, okay? Our last tip, it's gonna be the TheraBand. So what we're going to do is put the TheraBand around your toes. Just stand it, take your yoga block, put it under the TheraBand, and we are gonna roll back. And we are gonna stretch knee, 1, and flex. 1 and flex. I would recommend to do that 8 or 10 times, no more, and slowly. The last time you just stretch and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, between 8 and 12 seconds. No more. And we change. Let me show you how it's going to work with the foam roll. Around your toes, put it there, and the good thing about the foam roll is that you can actually roll and flex, and roll and flex. Remember to be careful with your toes, be careful with your arches, don't injure yourself, and if you feel pain, stop. Hold the position and repeat as many times as you need. Now, remember that these exercises are to do daily. After a ballet class, during a stretching, after your warm-up, before your ballet class, you could try these exercises. Remember that to improve, you have to be consistent. You cannot do something today and expect it to be better tomorrow without doing it again. You have to do it and repeat as long as you can, as many times as you can. Hope you like it, and let me know in the comments below if you're gonna do these exercises. Post it in your stories, tag me, and let me know so I can help you, I can give you some advice, some tips, or correct in case of any mistake. Have a perfect and great day.